This video is sponsored by JP Fans, a trusted proxy shopping service that lets you purchase directly from Japan. Are you looking for exclusive Japanese items or maybe just like me, keep up photo cards? Then JP Fans is definitely for you. Imagine shopping from the Japan's biggest marketplace like JDirect, Amazon Japan, or Mercari without dealing with the complicated process. With GB Fans, it's simple. Browse thousands of authentic Japanese products, place your order in minutes, and let their team handle the purchasing, inspection, packing, and international shipping for you. You can consolidate multiple orders into one package to save on shipping costs. Honestly, my experience with JP Fans has been amazing, and it makes collecting from Japan so much easier. So if you want to start shopping from Japan today, click the link below in the description and registered with JP Fans. And don't forget to use my code UnboxerKing to get discount on your shipping.